How to reply to all birthday wishes on timeline. Hi everyone, welcome back. This is a video tutorial on how to reply to all birthday wishes on timeline. Let's get started by opening Facebook. From the home screen, you have to tap your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the page. From the menu page, you can either tap on the settings icon at the right top corner of the page to go to your profile settings, or you may also just scroll down and go to settings and privacy. Tap settings and go to profile settings. You have to wait for this page to load, and once it's up, you have to scroll down until you see your Facebook information. And then you have to select access profile information. You should see a search bar at the top of this page and just look up something like timeline. Select other people's posts on timeline from the results, and you should see all other people's posts on your timeline, including their birthday wishes, such as what you see on my screen right now, which was posted today by my friend. If your birthday already passed, you probably won't see your birthday wishes from the initial results on this page. To find them, you have to filter the results by tapping on the filter icon on the left side of other people's posts on timeline. Tap date and just put in your birthday information, and then select done. That should show you all the birthday wishes that were posted on your timeline during that time period. Select and tap on the birthday wish you'd like to reply to, and just tap on write a comment to write your response. After writing your response, you may just tap on the arrow back icon at the left top corner of the page and just select another birthday wish you'd like to reply to. And you may just repeat the same process, the same steps, until you reply to all birthday wishes on your timeline. And that's how easy you can do it. If you found this video helpful, please let us know in the comments, like this video, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.